This is a song for beginners. If you like the sound of it and you want to learn it, stick around to the end to find out how.
1, 2, 3, 4.
If you like the sound of that song and you'd like to learn it, visit my website ihitdrums.co.uk. You can access a step-by-step instructional video, a PDF of the written music, and multi-tempo backing tracks for you to play along to. So again, that's at my website ihitdrums.co.uk. Enjoy!